What's something people don't know about the biggest volcanic eruption ever? Picture this. The year is 1815. The place? Mount Tambora, Indonesia. This bad boy didn't just erupt, it exploded. It was the most powerful eruption recorded in history. Boom! The blast was heard 1,200 miles away. That's like hearing a New York City explosion all the way in Miami. The sky went dark. Ash covered everything. It was so intense it cooled the Earth's temperature, causing what's called the year without a summer. Crops failed. Livestock died. Famine struck hard. Over 71,000 people lost their lives. And the kicker? This eruption was 100,000 times more powerful than the Hiroshima bomb. Mind-blowing, right? So next time you think your day's a disaster, just remember Mount Tambora. Alright, history buffs, that's your volcanic trivia for today. Catch you later.